Yo, is my mic working? Yes, sir. All right. We took this trade on Tesla, made about $1,100 on this trade today. We took the QQQ trade. If you were in the Discord, we lost on that one. Took a little bit of profits away from the Tesla trade, but I want to explain to you guys. Here's a trade recap on exactly why I took this trade and how I predicted this whole entire upside move right at 10 o'clock. So if you guys can see right down here, there is a 1 hour order block. You guys see this, right? I'm going to mark this off. I'll put it here so you guys can see. You guys can screenshot this, whatever you want to do. We have an order block right here. This down candle to the big move up, this is where a lot of orders were placed. A lot of big money was placed to push price up. So that means that there's still a lot of orders down in this area that are going to want to get filled. So as you guys can see, market open literally right here. With this candle, we came down, swept out all these lows, tapped the order block, swept out these lows, taking out so many lows and doing what? Closing all the way up here on the 1 hour. You guys see this 1 hour candle right here. Like if I take everything off just like this green candle came down, tapped the order block, swept the lows, and then closed above. That's a very bullish signal. That's telling me that we want to go higher. So when I see that, I'm like, okay, I know that we're sweeping liquidity right here. Let me take the order block off. You guys know also there's an order block down there, a confluence that we could potentially bounce off of to see a move up. So when we sweep liquidity down here, I'm waiting for the break of structure. Okay, we sweep, boom, make a high. You see how, okay, we swept, we made a high, and then we made a higher high, but we didn't really close above the resistance, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? This was kind of just like, all right, we're resisting, so I want to see another higher high. I want to see the break of structure. So we make a high, a low, a high, boom, higher high with a candle closure above this high and above this high. So this candle closed above this, telling me that we want to go higher. That's called a break of structure, which I have it marked down, a market structure shift. So then I'm like, okay, what did we create right here with that big impulse move after the liquidity sweep? We created a fair value gap, which if you look on the 1 minute, all down here, there was a gap as well. So there was a gap right here. There's more gaps. And this was the 5 minute fair value gap that I was really looking on. Also, if you look at it, I'm sure there was a 3 minute gap. No, not a 3 minute gap. So yeah, just the 5 minute gap that we were looking at. And it came down. Good reaction right away. I was like, all right, I'm going to just enter it right off of here. Stop loss below the fair value gap, because if it wants to come down, we're already in the order block as well. Look, see, it was a boom, here's the 5 minute order block that we tapped into basically, and the fair value gap. So I'm looking at, okay, why would I wait all the way up here and then stop loss like right here when I could get in? Very good risk to reward. I got in about right there. Boom, first take profit hit, and this was on the 1 minute right here. So the 1 minute time frame came down into the 5 minute fair value gap after breaking structure. Also, another thing that I was looking at, I don't know if you guys noticed this, or no, that was on the other trade actually, never mind. So yeah, on the 1 minute time frame, first take profit at these highs, more highs, and then this was just a 5 minute top of the fair value gap. I'm pretty sure, yeah, right up there. So another reason a reason that my take profits are at these highs, because these are points of interest of liquidity, and these are areas where, look, it'll sweep these highs out and then dump. So that's exactly why I'm taking profits. I'm securing green. I'm taking green at these highs because it is a potential reversal area. So I'm always making sure, okay, I'm looking to see what's happening. I'm looking to see, we come up, sweep that right away. All right, I'm exiting that, right? You know what I mean? I'm either exiting or I'm taking a lot of profits, stop loss at break even, which I did get stopped out down here. Now we're going higher. I'm not in this trade anymore. I took my profits, hit 1, 2, 3, and almost tapped my fourth take profit. I didn't take it. Boom, got stopped out at break even. So it was a great trade. If you were in the Discord and you saw it, it was absolutely amazing. We had 250 freaking people watching that, and it was a beautiful trade. We took it literally all the way up there. Beautiful A+ setup. Like I said, on the 5 minute. This is an A+ setup if you guys know and trade with me. So we have the liquidity sweep, the higher time frame order block down there. Boom, the high, low, boom, closure above the high. Retest to the fair value gap. Good reaction, boom. Simple as that. We do this shit every day. Join the Discord, link in bio. If you do want to trade with me, I trade these. I take this setup live. Made everyone money. And yeah, hope everyone has a good day. I'll see you guys 9:30 tomorrow. Let's get it.